Hello, I'm Clive Miller of Clive Miller Heating. We've been installing central heating systems and replacing gas boilers in the Nottingham area for over 25 years. We're Corgi and Gas Safe registered, and we undertake all domestic gas work including boiler replacement and installing new systems, gas fires, gas cookers and landlord certificates. The bulk of our work comes word of mouth from customer recommendations. We give free estimates, and once you're one of our customers, we'll do our best to make sure you stay that way. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to contact us by email or call us on 079 414 30964. Thanks.